Scorched Racing, what can I say, mega parts. So I've just got their front diff housings, front bulkheads, whatever, and I thought we'd have a quick look at them. I'm running Vitivons in the Kraton, but they're heavy. I've picked these up, and they're really quite light. I'd like to do a comparison in weight, but to take the Vitivons off, nightmare. So I won't be able to do that, but I might be able to show you how much at least these weigh. Yeah, let's have a look. So here's the pack. Get one super beautiful diff housing. You get shims, stickers, and bearings. Choppy. So, can't get my fingers in. Stickers. Oh yes, I've got so many of these stickers now, I don't know what to do with them. Oh, shimmer. Alright. I think that's it. So, here we go. Shims to shim out your diffs. But anyways, hybrid ceramic bearings. I'm not so much of a fan, but then that comes from my skateboarding times. An insert there, I think. Maybe not. Ooh, I got it stuck. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 varying thicknesses of shims there. So you can get those tolerances and mesh absolutely bang on. Yeah, let's take it apart. Man, the tolerance in that is beautiful. Wow, what awesome machining. Simply worth every penny. Scorch are really fussy how they make stuff. If it ain't right, it don't come out, which means these are going to be special, man. Not like your Chinese stuff. So, super sexy. Laser etched, is that? Or is that actually machined? That's actually machined into it. Awesome. Yeah. Glad I got them while they were hot. Yeah, don't know what to put them in yet. Probably the Typhon or the Infraction GT build. I'm not sure. How do they feel? Yeah, not too tight, not too loose. Perfect. So, in the instructions. Here you go. Nice. If you want decent housings, then go to Scorch. I can't wait to get these in, along with this Trident shaft. I've had that for a while, need to do that. I bought these were wrong, so I need to buy an 8S Kraton, so that's what we'll do with those. Those, I'm not sure what I'm going to put them in yet. That's for the Infraction build. Want to try these out, might need more. Spool shims, need to order a spool. So, and yeah, yummy. What you waiting for? Get and order them. So, okay. So individually. And there you have it. Nice. So just a short one there. Scorched housings, the diffs. I believe these will fit the Kraton, all the sort of infraction-esque type cars. Typhon. Anyways, subscribe, smash the bell, and don't miss out. I'm going to take the Typhon out next dry day. I'm just doing the suspension on that. And if I can't get it to run, I'm at least going to burn some tyres, see how much power's in that motor. Alright, later.